Hi viewers, Namaste. I'm Dr. Rajni, coach and educationist, and today we are going to discuss about the law of attraction, how to attract the money and the wealth. So in this way, there are 6 techniques which will help you to attract more money and wealth. Hope this will definitely help you, and we will also see the money blessings as well as how to use this meditation for money. Perhaps you are really practicing meditation, or maybe you are just thinking about trying to do it for the first time. Regardless, a guided meditation to attract the money can be done for everyone. If it is wonderful way of tuning your mind into the reality of the abundance, creating a positive emotions about wealth, and giving you a more and more vivid picture of what it will be like to manifest your goals. Plus, the meditation has dozens of other significantly proven benefits, ranging from the stress management to increase empathy, the lower blood pressure, and better mental health. Like, many factors are there. You cannot manifest the huge sums of the money overnight, but you can create the preconditions of the wealth virtually overnight. We will take you now through a basic money meditation step by step. Okay, are you all ready to do the meditation now? Good. Think of the attractive money now, how you can meditate and attract the money now. 1. Ideally performed before sleep so that the messages can be readily absorbed into your subconscious. Money meditations begin with finding a comfortable, quiet place where you won't be disturbed. So sit down into the cross-legged in the meditation posture with the mudras, the yoga mudra we call this, the yoga mudra posture, or in a chair where you can sit comfortably and where your feet touches the ground. Okay, take 5 minutes of deep breath. So feel the breath into money and inhale the money, breathe, and then exhale it slowly. Inhaling and exhaling to a count of 10 each time. As you do this, you release all tensions from your body and imagining it is dissipating at the top of your head. Then work your way down to your neck, chest and waist, legs and feet. So in this way, what you can do the meditation. When you are fully relaxed, imagine that your body is warming up and being filled with the warm and the golden light which is passing from the cosmic rays, and it's coming to your crown chakra and coming totally into your body. After a few minutes pass and imagine the money raining down on you. Imagine it's adding up millions of dollars. Imagine it's filling all your room and the neighbors, wherever it is, it's filled out of money. So there is enough for everyone. So in this way, you're going to imagine using your visualization techniques. After a few minutes, you will feel all these things. Now let yourself feel a joyful and a fulfilled, flourished moment. Cherish all the moment of your money and your abundance, how you're attracting everything. After another few minutes of bathing into the happiness, slowly, gently rub your palms and keep it on your eyes and slowly open it and feel the happiness of your success, of having the richness of money, how you have attracted. Come on now, let us see how the money affirmations of the wealth and abundance will work out. Aimed at this harnessing of law of attraction, the money affirmations can quickly help to focus yourself, heart and mind and on your goals. So there are simple phrases that contain the powerful messages of the happiness and the success. Try the following affirmations of the wealth and abundance. Saying them into a mirror before you start your day can help you, especially an effective thing. You can say like this: I love my money. I love my money. Money is good. You can even hold your wallet, hold your bag, or hold the cash or the coins, whatever it is. But one thing you have to imagine, the more you hold the coins, you are attracting only the coins. The more you keep the cash, you are attracting the cash. So keep the cash in your hand and say that, yes, I love my money. Money is good. I'm attracting more and more money on each day, and I'm ready to receive all the wealth which I deserve. There is no limit on how my money that I can attract. I value money and I am attracting more and more of it into my life. I always have exactly the amount of money which I need. So these kind of affirmative, you can use it. Even you can use it like tapping on a head, and tapping here is a tapping technique, you can say. Earning money is easy for me. 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 Then you can use like this: earning money is easy for me. 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 So I know that these kind of tapping techniques, if you use, it will also help you to attract more and more health, wealth and money, whatever you have. Some more affirmatives also, you can say like this: I know I can succeed in attracting the wealth and in achieving all my goals. I live a successful and abundant and joyful life. Every day I magnetically attract more and more wealth. So in this way, if you use all these 6 attractive steps in the easy manner, and also you can use the money meditations in a guided way, what I was telling you in this video, and along with all the affirmative sentences using all the tapping techniques, and also the money blessings. Keep the money and you can bless the money also. If you don't have the money, you feel that the wealth is in front of you, you bless the money as if how you will be blessing somebody. And I love my money, let my money come back in multiple folds. In this way, if you use all these simple techniques, definitely you are going to attract more and more money, and also a wealth fast. So this is what the law of attraction says to you all. We will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.